Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Jaguar. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable transmission. This Jaguar has less than 82,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and heated front seats.